What's up? Welcome to today's stream. I'm William, and what's today? Today is September 16th, and this is my last stream of the week. It's coming a little bit late. I ended up falling asleep, and then I had to go walk my dog for a couple miles, and then I ended up cooking dinner. So late start. So I probably won't go for too long today. I went extra long yesterday on mistake. I'm going to try to keep this to 2 hours, but preferably an hour and a half. We'll see how that goes. Yeah, what's up? I don't really have much of a plan today, so I guess I'll just figure it out as I go. Let me switch over to my screen right quick. I have my notes from yesterday, and I'm going to make sure that I name this properly. Basics. I think that's what I called the stream from yesterday. Let's see. Finance basic. Yes, look at that. My memory is working for once. Okay. Looks like I need to restart. So, Devlog. Oh wait, I don't do that anymore. It's just 2023, 09, 16. And I don't know what this is going to be yet. So at the moment, it's just me. So I guess I'm going to do what I want. I kind of want to play City Skylines. And when I say play, I mean like just fuck around. I don't really know what I'm doing. But we'll see. Let's see how much RAM I'm using at the moment. Close some things that I'm not using. All right, looks like my notification just went out on Discord saying that I'm streaming. So everything seems to be going okay. I am going to turn up my microphone just a little bit. That way I don't have to talk loud. I don't talk loud naturally, so I have to have my microphone pretty loud. And I also adjust the gain so that it's louder to you all. Most people say that they can't hear me when I talk. I don't understand. I'm like, I talk loud enough. At least I think I do. All right. So, yesterday I had intended to kind of work on the... Wait a minute. I just got an error. God damn it. All right. Is this gonna go away? need to figure out my time machine, whatever thing. I need to figure that out. So I may need to buy more hard drives. Again, I have contemplated, let me switch over here. So I've contemplated plugging my Drobo into my NAS. I have the Drobo, I think it's the 5C. It connects over USB 3. It's very slow in my opinion. I think it's the transfer speed is like 5 gigabits per second, which is not that great, and that's max, right? It never actually gets that. I typically only get to about 200 megabytes a second, which is quite slow. But in any case, I'm thinking about plugging that directly into my NAS, which is attached to my network via 10G, and everything on, like, my machines are all connected to that network via 10G as well. So I would be able to get the full speed of that Drobo as if it were attached to one of my devices. So even though it's slow as hell, I can still attach it, and it's as if it's plugged directly in. And that should allow me to do time machine backups for all of my Macs. I have 3 here. And I just got to figure out if this is possible to do over a network drive. I've never done it before. But anyways, let's go back to my screen and we'll open up Visual Studio, I guess, code. I kind of want to find like another IDE. I don't like Visual Studio Code that much anymore. It's really slow. But for now, I'm just gonna deal with it. And we need to figure out what I was working on. I have no clue. I haven't worked on this project in a couple of days. All right, I'm pretty sure I have a PR open. For some reason, it's not showing my login page. I don't know why, but I guess that's okay. Let's go ahead and get this started locally. So this page is, I don't know why this is here, honestly. Wait, what's going on here? Okay, so the real page is sign in or something like that, maybe. Yeah, all right, cool. Yeah. So we have the sign in page, and I think I also have a profile page, which should redirect me to sign in if I'm not signed in. But I am signed in. Look at that. All right, cool. So at the moment, this is a pretty shitty looking page, but that's okay. Maybe that's what I'm going to do today. Maybe I'll make this look not shitty by stealing code for all you other developers. So I'm not truly like a web person, so I have no issues with coming and stealing code. Maybe I can use that new Vercel tool that was just released that like automatically like creates like a thing for you. I don't know, components or something like that. Let's see. Maybe I'll do that now. Twitter. And we're gonna look for Vercel. Okay, so it's called v0.dev. So let's go to v0.dev. All right, so let's see a profile page, complete. Yeah, so we'll say a profile page with a top bar with, I don't know, with a log out. I don't know, we'll just put that. All right, yeah, sure, I'll authenticate. Oh gosh, so I can't do it. Well, that's cool. We'll still code from somewhere else. We'll go to Tailwind UI, come to these components and see if there is something that I can steal easily. Maybe this. I'm looking for a dark one, and I'm also looking for one that seems like it could be the easiest to steal. I think this could be the easiest to steal right here. But let's go and look at some other ones. There's a sidebar layout. Okay. maybe. Okay, let's look at the code. It's a lot, but maybe, wait, do I need to install things, hero icons? Oh gosh. But I don't know if I really need all this. Technically, I only need one item, the dashboard, which would just be home, I guess. And then all this other crap, I don't care about. Now the question is, like, what does this do? Nothing. I want that to be a sign out. Let's see. Loading pages. Oh no, that's a landing page. Okay. I'm thinking I'm gonna have to do that app shell thingamajig. Okay, fine. I don't care. I'll just do it. So I think I would put this in the layout, maybe, because this would be shared across a bunch of different things, maybe. It seems like I don't know. It's because I don't. Oh wait, hold on. Sidebar. Maybe I can do this. Nah, this is a little bit too complex. I could have swore I just saw a thing that allowed me to do an app shell. Where did that go? Did that just go away? Oh, it's up here. Okay. But before I do that, I don't want to do that right now. What I would prefer to do is to have a profile page. So we got to look for one of these things that seems like it would be dope for a profile page. Do application UI. And let's see. Maybe forms would be that. Form layout. Yeah, maybe this could be it. Oh yeah, this could be it. So most of the stuff I don't need or care about. Like I don't care about a profile, I don't care about username or any of that kind of stuff. The only things I'm gonna have are some buttons or some toggles or something like that. Or buttons, I don't know, I haven't actually designed this if that's not obvious. But all I need is a way to A, install this bot into my Slack workspace, and B, authenticate to YouTube. Yeah, authenticate to YouTube, and then C, authenticate to GitHub, which doesn't exist yet, but it will exist. Let's go. Let's see what this looks like. Let's do a little bit of looking first before I get confused. What? Oh, here it is. Okay. So I have this profile page. I have a login. I have a sign out. On this particular page, I have the check for active broadcast. So technically this shouldn't be here. This would be somewhere else. So I guess I will go ahead and do that application shell. Oh, it's so much effort. I hate doing stuff. I don't want to do it, but I will. We'll just do it. I think we're gonna do the sidebar layout, or yeah, we'll do this. Maybe this is easier. Hopefully, we're gonna do the dark mode version. Nav overlap. Dark nav with compact white page header. I don't know what that means. Dark nav with white page header. Okay. Let's also go and see if there is a, yeah, there's layout. So we have containers, panels. Okay. Oh no, you're not late, bro. How you doing, casual economist? Oh yeah. Well, I mean, I was gonna meet my goal, bro. Like, it would, yeah. It's unlikely that I'm not gonna hit a goal like that where it's 100% in my control. The numbers are less in my control, which is why I make sure that I set realistic goals. I guess we could do a panel card with header. So for now, I'm gonna steal this for now. We'll take that. All right, let's close a lot of this stuff. All right, so we're gonna go to the profile page. At the moment, this is a main whatever. I don't think it should be that, so I'm just gonna dump that there. And wait, content goes here. We use less vertical padding on card headers. Okay, so at the moment I have this button. Technically, I don't need that button. In fact, actually no, I think what I'm gonna do first is play with the layout, this thing right here. So we'll go back to the app shell. And to be honest, I don't know how this is meant to work. I'd be lying if I said I did. So we're gonna steal this one right here. Okay, so we have the user, okay. I'll have a user. We have navigation. Okay, at the moment, I'm only gonna have one thing or two things. And then user navigation, your profile settings, sign out. Oh, does this have a, oh, look at that. Okay, yeah, never mind. All right, so this is cool. So this example requires updating your template to have HTML class, yeah. All right. So if this is the app, my question is, how does this all work with Next? So I have the layout, but like, is it page? Or is this just the index page, which I think that's what that is. So I'm curious, do I put, oh my gosh, I'm confused already. You're celebrating Mexican Independence Day. I'm a little buzzed up. Are you Mexican? Are you from Mexico? Where are you from? I know you said something about your friend is Australian. Are you Australian? Or do you, like, I don't know. Tell me. What is this? Open. So this uses headless UI. Okay. And hero icons. Okay. This takes a callback disclosure. What is disclosure? Where's that? Okay. So disclosure, it looks like it's some type of, man, oh my gosh, React is so weird to me. It's like a function component or something. If it's open, we do this. What if it's not open though? Well, we have a disclosure panel. What's a disclosure? What the hell is a disclosure? Is this a disclosure? If any of you are React folks, let me know. Mexican girl. Oh, okay. Well, when you say black, what does that mean? I've been to a lot of countries with a lot of different black people. We're not all the same. No, you got the Ethiopians, you got Rwandans, and even within those, like, they're different tribes. I think the Bantu are the largest, at least out in West Africa. Are you like West African? You know, Ghanaian, Cameroonian, Equatorial Guinean, or Nigerian, or Congolese, Somali. Like, what are you? I didn't want to do this. I hate UI stuff. but it's fine. I'm just gonna, oh gosh, I'll just do it. So I had to install headless UI React. Let's see if there's some instructions where I can just copy stuff and not have to do anything. So we'll go to docs, installation. Okay, so I'm gonna need to do, I already have that. What else do I need to install? I need to install these two things. So we'll do that. Okay, so let's go ahead and stop the server. We'll add these two dependencies. While that goes, I need to start my key thingamajig. Okay, all right, so creating components. All React examples are provided as a simple single component and make no assumptions about how you want to break things down. See, I would love if it gave me some assumptions on how to break things down. You should break the examples down into smaller components as necessary. I know that. I don't want to do it. This is what I don't want to do. But maybe, just maybe, we can use, what's that thing? Shit. Maybe we could use ChatGPT to do it. All right, so creating, okay, all right, yeah. So I'm going to see if I can have ChatGPT break this down into components for me. I know that it had like a code understanding thing at one point. I don't know if it still has that. I've noticed that ChatGPT has only gotten worse. Oh, and yeah, I don't know if I'm going to pay to upgrade anymore. It's not good. It's just gotten worse. And I'm like, at this point, I don't think it's worth $20 a month. Break this into components. All right, so we're gonna have a nav bar. All right, so while that happens, we're going to bring this to over there. And we're going to create some components. So we have app. Wait, oh, those are my types. All right, I'm tripping. I don't know why that's there. So we have the app. We have all of these things. All right, now I'm going to create a directory for components. So the first one is going to be a nav component. All right, and let's just do that. So we're going to export this function. It's going to take a navigation, a user, and whatever. All right, what's the disclosure? What the hell is this? Let's see if that's coming from headless. Oh yeah, all right, perfect. So we got that done. Expression expected. We do this, that. Okay. So maybe I can say children, maybe. Okay. So children is going to be something. I don't know what it is at the moment. Navigation is going to be, I think it's an array of things. So navigation, let's see what this type is. So let's create that. We'll say interface navigation or nav item maybe. And we'll have a name, which will be a string. We'll have a, I'm gonna just call it href. I don't have a good name for that. Like a destination actually. So we'll say destination. And then we'll have whether or not this is the current. Okay. All right. Navigation will be an array of nav items. So we'll say nav item And actually, we can't do it this way. We have to type it here. Okay, so we'll create another type. We'll call this navbar. I don't know what we're gonna call it. It's like the navbar component something. Let's see here. We got FBA or ADOS. I don't know what's appropriate for a demographic term anymore. Also, you're American. Like, gotcha. Okay. Let's see. What's a good name for this? I'm gonna call it navbar A for now. I don't want to figure out a name at the moment, but it's gonna have a navigation. Do I want this? Yeah, this should be read only. Yeah, but maybe I don't want this to be read only. Yeah, I'll just update it in line. So we're gonna have a navigation, which is going to be a nav item. And that will be read only. We'll have a user, which would be a user, and that should come from Supabase. User navigation. Oh, that's this thing right here. All right. So we'll call this a user nav item. And that's just going to be a name and a destination. So I am just going to create this type in line. So we'll say type, whatever that is, and it's going to be equal to omit from nav item. I just want to omit current, like so. So now we have our nav item. That way I don't have to like do work. Just make my life a little easier. So we'll have user nav, I guess. Is that what it says? Oh, user navigation? Yeah, we'll do user navigation. And that will be a user nav item. Array. Yeah, that will be an array. This is also going to be an array as well. So we can do that right there. Okay, so we have our user nav item. We'll make this read only. Honestly, there's almost no need to create this type here. Yeah, there's no need to create this type here. What I'll do instead is do that right there. Actually, no, I do have to do it. Never mind. All right, what's next? We have children. So let's see if ChatGPT can give me that type. The nav component. Wait, does the nav component need children? I don't think it does, actually, now that I think about it. Okay. So this is going to be a navbar A for now. All right. So let's go back to our code here. I'm surprised it didn't just dump all of this in there. So this is, what is this? PG, new notifications, menu items. Man, this is hard. This is hard. I don't know what the hell is going on here. What is what? So this is all I want right here. I'm trying to get this little piece right here. So maybe there's like just a thing where I can get nav. That would make my life a little bit easier. Yes, there is nav. Yeah, nav bars. Perfect. So we're going to do simple dark, the easiest one. Simple dark with menu button on left. Okay, what do you mean menu button? What's a menu button? Let's just have a look. Okay. Yeah, we're going to do this one. This seems easier. Okay, so I'm just going to copy this fragment. Oh my gosh, this is so much. What the fuck? This is so much. Ugh. All right, we have a bell. Okay, I need to install whatever these are, or maybe I did install it. Let's see. Add hero icons. So we'll just say add all missing imports. Okay, class names. Okay, this is a React package, I think. React class names. All right, so just class names. Okay. Now we can import class names. All right, it seems to be okay, I think, maybe. All right. So this right here, all of these, wait, we have flex space. I'm not sure what this is about, but all of these are going to be my my navigation. Yeah, so all of these right here are navigation. So I'm gonna do that right there just to make this a little bit clear, because this is, I freaking hate dealing with HTML, to be real. All right, so these are all my navigation items. I have no idea what this is. Current. Oh, I see. Okay, so if it's the current thing, all right, I see. So I'll leave that there for now. And what I can do here is say navigation, and we'll do a map. We're going to get back the nav item, and for each one of these we're going to return an A. Basically, I'm gonna just take this. We're gonna return one of these. Let's format. Okay, so we're gonna get an A, and then this part right here is gonna be the nav item destination. And class name will be the same. And then this right here will be the nav item name. And I need to say, all right, okay, so all right. So if this is current, we're gonna do something else. How does, okay, class name. Okay, so I need to do something like this, I think. Yeah, I think I need to do something like this. So we'll say, we'll move this into here. And this is going to be one of these. So we'll say class name. We'll say current. I think I have that. Oh, no, that'll be nav item.current. So if this is the current, then we want to do this right here. So we'll do that. Otherwise, we want to do that down there. So let's get this kind of fixed up. Or how does class name work? Two strings. Wait, we have a ternary. It'll be this thing or that. Okay. So here we have the, oh, I see what's wrong here. Let's undo all this for now. How long am I streaming for? I don't know, to be honest. I don't think it's going to be as long as yesterday. That's for sure. but it really depends. I would like to get whatever this is at least done a little bit, but we'll see. This is like what I'm doing now is something that, like, first of all, I don't enjoy it. so yeah, it's not going to be that long, to be real. Let's just put quotes here for now, and we're going to put these in comments. Okay, so this is going to be when it's not the active thing, and we're going to use that class names thingamajig, class names. Wait, is that what it's called? I literally just saw it somewhere. Oh, we have more than one. Oh my gosh, this is... What the fuck? Why do we have more than one? This is confusing. Okay, so it's class names like that. Okay. It takes an array of class names. Sure. Okay. Let's... Okay. Let's see how these things are related. So in both cases, we're going to have BG gray. We're going to have... Oh, actually, maybe... Wait, font medium, text white. Huh, okay. Well then, I guess there's not really much overlap here. So we'll say nav item dot current. We'll do this or that. The first one, if it's the current one, we're going to throw this in there. So we'll just replace that with that. And it's upset. Why? Default text gray. Okay. Alright, so maybe I need to just put the default stuff there. Oops. So alright, so we'll put that there. And we'll put the current. We're gonna have this. And then I guess otherwise it's this, maybe? I have no idea. This is weird. Alright, text gray, hover BG. Okay. Alright, maybe that's right. I don't know. What is this? Button. View notification. Alright, so I think all of these are... Actually, I don't care about this button. Yeah, I don't care about this button, so I'm just going to delete that. This is the profile drop down. Okay, I think I do care about that. So this is going to be a menu, and we have a div with menu button and then a transition. So I think I need to keep this right here. And then in the transition, we're going to have these menu items. And this is where my list is going to come in here. So we'll put that down. And we'll do that just to make it, just make my life somewhat easier. This is hard. All right, so we'll do, gosh, what is the thing called? User nav items, user navigation. We'll map across that, and we're gonna get a user nav item. We'll return, oh, there's an active. Wait a minute. Menu item, active. They all have active. Okay, so I'll just return one of these things as is, like so. So we'll just do that. And maybe I'll wrap this. Actually, let's just format it. All right, so I don't know where active is coming from, but maybe that's just part of the callback function's name. So we're going to do that, and then we're going to go to the user nav item destination. And this is going to be the user nav item name. Okay, I think that's good. So we can get rid of all of these. Okay. Disclosure, no idea what that is. I don't know what a disclosure is. The panel, let's see. We have a button, which is called dashboard. Okay, I see what this is, I think. It seems to be the same thing that I've just did up here in the navigation. This is interesting. I don't understand this. Like, just me being real. Okay. So there's two things in here called dashboard, I think. So let's see, dashboard. Yeah, there's this right here, this dashboard. But how is this different from the other dashboard down here? It says small hidden. This right here just says hidden. Oops. Yeah, that's weird. I don't understand this, but whatever. I am going to do the same thing that I did before. So I'm just going to come up here and do this little map thingamajig. Just copy that for now. And we'll put this here. All right, so this time, instead of doing A's or whatever those are, we're going to do a button. And this is going to be the nav item. Wait, as, what is as supposed to be? As a, oh, I see it. Okay, I see what's going on here. I still don't understand. I still don't get it, but I understand what's going on. So we'll do nav item and destination. And then this is going to be the name. And there is a current here again. Okay, so maybe this is the default. So I'm just going to kind of like do that. And then we'll say class names. We're going to do nav item dot current. Then we'll do that. And then we'll just paste that there for now. Okay, so I think, no, I don't want that there. I think what I want is for this to be here. Oops. I think I want that. And then I'm going to take this and put it here. And I'm going to take this default and throw it here, like so. All right, and then I'm going to delete all these buttons here. Let's see. I think comments after the stream help your video out. If you see me asking questions, asking generic. Oh yeah. Comments do help, and I mean, I encourage people to ask there. Honestly, if you ask in the comment section, it may influence what I'll talk about in the next video. Just you know, a worthwhile thing to note. All right, let's take this user. I think that's what this is down here. I think. Wait, where was it? Image name. All right, yeah. This is the user thing right here. So let's see what I can get on the user. So we're gonna just delete all this. Actually, I'm gonna keep the image there for now because I don't know if I have an image. So we're gonna pull out the user's name. Okay, what information do I have? So this is why I should have a profile, but for now I'm just gonna put the user email. That's like the best that I can do right now. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. Wait, where's this? I don't see where this name is coming in at. Let's keep that as Tom Cook for now. And I'll figure out if that's even being rendered. I don't think it is. We'll pull out the email. View notifications. No, I thought I deleted that. Oh, I think I did, but there's two of them. Man, this is so confusing. Really, I don't understand this. All right. Oh, I'm doing the same thing again. Okay, so it's like I'm doing the same thing twice. This is... Oh my gosh. I don't like this. Yeah, I don't like this at all. We're gonna do that and we're just gonna bring this down here. So disclosure. Yeah, we're gonna render out a bunch of disclosure buttons, I guess. So instead of doing whatever that is, we're going to do that. And then this is going to be the user nav item destination. And this is going to be the name. Like so. All right, so I want to say I can delete all this other stuff. Oh my gosh, I really hope, like, yeah, we're gonna have to just hope that this works. Gosh, this is, and let's give this a good title. So this is navbar let's call it navbar props. I don't have a good name for it. Props. Okay, so now what I'm going to try to do is use that here. So we're just going to, I don't know, we'll just say nav bar or whatever I called it. I don't remember what we called it. Oh, it's called nav. Okay, maybe I should have called this nav bar. That's a terrible name. We'll call this nav bar, like so. And we'll come here and we'll do nav bar like that. And I gotta give it the thing. So this is going to be an array where the user is going to be from the session user. Okay, so I'm going to need to update that type. And then the last thing is going to be the user navigation, which for now is just going to be an empty array. And what else can I do? Key? No, I don't think I need that. Okay, so user is upset. And the reason why is because user can technically be undefined. So that means that I'm going to need to handle that maybe somewhere. Wait, why is that not? Oh. Do that then. So I got to handle the fact that this can be undefined potentially. So I don't even know if I want to do any of this stuff if there isn't a user. But for now, I'm just going to put a little thingamajig like this just to like get the compiler to leave me alone. Let's see if this will even build. Okay. Wait. Here we are. Wait, what page is this even on? Profile. Okay, let's save it. All right. Interesting. Let's move this outside of the main. And honestly, I don't even know why I need main anymore. Think about it. Why do I need main? It's flex call. We'll render a fragment for now, and we'll see what happens. Okay, it's a little bit better. So there's no items here because obviously I haven't created a nav thingamajig yet. But guess this is okay, maybe. All right, so let's create my, whatever you want to call these things, my navigation. And honestly, the navigation, maybe that'll live here in nav. I don't know. I'm just gonna put it here for now. So we're gonna say const navigation. And maybe this, yeah, I think we're gonna just do this. So we'll say navigation. Let's make sure that I type this so that it knows what this is. Nav item. Oh, what the hell? Nav item array. And we'll do that. So now instead of doing this navigation like that, I'm just gonna get rid of it. And we'll come back to the profile and fix that up. Oh yeah, we're no longer gonna do a navigation. I'm pretty sure I just gotta save it. Okay, yeah, so we're not gonna do a navigation, and we're also not gonna do a user navigation. So we're gonna say user navigation. This will be nav user navigation. What is user navigation? Yeah, we're gonna do a user navigation array. User nav item array. Like that. And we'll get rid of that. We'll come back over to here and we'll remove this. All right. Why is this tripping? User is missing the following properties. Okay, I don't think that's true. So we're just gonna, oh yeah, it is true, my bad. Okay, let's remove these things. Yeah, these aren't props anymore. All right. Now I can focus on adding the navigation items. So the first one is going to be name, and let's just say dashboard. I don't really have a good name for it, so I'll just call it dashboard. Destination is going to be, I don't know what it is going to be yet, so I'm just going to mark it as a whatever that thing is. And then current is going to be false or true. Current true for now. All right, so now we get our dashboard and it's marked as the current thing. I think that this is incorrect, as I got to figure out how to fix that. You was hoping you could watch YouTube TV and YouTube at the same time on your phone. I don't think you could do that. Well, I'm speaking as an iPhone user. You can't do, you can't really do more than one thing on an iPhone. There are only a few things that you can do at the same time. Okay. I think maybe I'm gonna have a sign out page. And then when you navigate to it, I'm gonna run a use effect that logs you out. Yeah, I figured it would. Most times, a lot of these devices aren't able to do things concurrently, which makes sense, you know, when you think about it. Even TVs, most TVs, like, they don't really have picture-in-picture, but when they do, you only hear one audio stream. But that, you know, that takes engineering effort to get that to work. Let's see what are the options that, yeah, see, this is wrong here. So, well, that's not wrong, but mine's wrong. Here's what I mean. Let's move this to the right. So you see how this one is bigger and this one is smaller? That means that however I handled the CSS is wrong. So I'm gonna have to deal with that at some point in time. But let's see, what are my options? We have your profile, settings, and sign out. So for me, we're just gonna have profile and sign out, just those two. So let's do a profile. This is gonna be profile. And destination is going to be to the profile page. So we'll say profile like that. And I think I also may want to have an action, like an on click or something like that. Maybe we'll see. So let's see if, yeah, so we get profile there now. And I also want to have sign out. So what I'm going to do is make this a user nav item. Well, we're going to create a composite type. So we have a user nav item, but I also want I want like a user nav action. So let's do that. So we'll say user nav action, and that's going to be a user nav item composed with an optional on click. So we'll just say on click, and that will be actually no, this won't be optional. Yeah, I don't think this would be optional if it's this. So we'll say this will be a thing that returns, a function that returns void, essentially, like so. So this is going to now be we're going to have a composite type. So we're going to say user nav. Oh, wait. So we'll say user nav. It'll be equal to our user nav action or a user nav item. Like so. And we'll just say user nav. All right, so we're gonna have, something is weird here. Yeah, you know what? I'm not going to do a composite type. I'm just going to make this all one type. So we're going to undo that, and then we'll do the intersection here. We'll delete that, and now we no longer need this. This is going to be user nav item, and this will be optional. Oh, you have a sound. Okay, yeah. That's what I was saying. I'm like, if you're on an iPhone, and that's what I'm thinking of. I always think iPhone, mainly because that's what I have. But yeah, if you're on other devices, then it's. I mean, I'm not gonna say it should, but like you have the option of, or you may have the option of doing other things. Destination here is just gonna be this. Actually, yeah, it's just gonna be that for now. And then the on click, why do I have two separate ones? This is interesting. Yeah, this is weird. Why? I don't understand what's going on with this type here. I wonder if I can do function like so. with that. Is that going to be better? Will it get rid of that double thing? Yes, it does. Perfect. All right, so we'll just do one of these things. Now my issue is I would like to be able to pass the function into here without dealing with session stuff, and I don't think I can do that. Let's see, where's my logout? I had a logout somewhere. Let's see, sign out. Yeah, see, I don't want to have to do this right here. I want to be able to pass this in somehow. Yeah, I don't like this. I don't like this. So we're not going to do this. How would I handle this? I would like to be able to pass the function to log out to the nav bar. Okay, you know what? Maybe I'll just I'll just go ahead and just grab this session here. I guess that's what hooks are for, maybe? I don't know, to be honest. I'm not a React expert. So we're just going to use the session here. Wait, I created my own use session? What the hell? Why did I do that? All right, so because I'm doing it this way, I'm gonna have to define that here. And then the on click is going to be, where is that at? Where's I just saw it. Where is it? Here? Where's my logout sign? Oh, here we are. So we'll just do this right here. Do that. Okay, so Supabase, where is that coming from? All right, so we'll just copy that. Maybe I don't need session. All right. All right, router. Yeah, so we'll just say refresh. Oops, wrong one. I need to do the use router thing. Okay. That comes from types. This comes from next. I think. No. We're going to use the same one as from here. I forgot that it's a new component, so we'll put that there. Okay. And I guess I'll define this in here too. Oh, there's no need. I'll keep it up. There's no need to do that. Okay, so we're gonna ask the question if there's an on click for the action. So this is disclosure button here. So we'll say on click will be the user nav item dot on click, which it could be undefined, which should be okay, maybe. Function or undefined is not assignable to mouse event handler. Okay, so I guess we won't use function. I thought I could do that. Let's just do this right here. All right, Okay, so it's happy with that. So cool, we're good. Yeah, and then we need to add it in the other one because there's two for some reason. So here in this thing, I think, user navigation, yeah, here. So we're gonna also put an on click inside of here. And that's gonna be the user nav item, on click. Okay. So now I have profile and then sign out. Okay. So the nav bar is no longer going to be rendered from this page. Where is it at? Where is the nav bar? Here. So I'm no longer going to do this here. Oh wait, shit. You know what? I'm also not even going to use it. I'm not even going to pass this right here either. I can get this from the session. So we're going to delete that and just say nav bar. I'm going to put that on my layout. So let's go to layout and body nav bar. We'll import that. And then we'll go to my navbar component. And now I'm also going to remove this user thing. So now I don't even need these props. We're no longer doing props. Where are the props here? We'll delete that. And now I'm going to get the user from the session. On session, we'll say use session. Which apparently I created my own session thing. And then we'll say session user email. And I think session can also be null. Yeah, it can. So we'll say if there is a session, we'll do session email. Otherwise, oops. Yeah, we'll do session user email. Otherwise, we'll just do undefined, I guess. So what's up with this? User does not exist on session null. Wait, what? I don't understand that. Session. Why is it session? What the hell? Is it because it needs to be this? Yeah, that's why. Yeah, okay. Oops. Okay, so I think that should fix something. Session. Yeah. All right, yeah, that fixed that. In fact, I should be able to just do this right here and just say if it's there, and then otherwise just that. Okay, and now it's upset about my use effect. You're importing a component that needs use effect. It only works in client, but none of its parents are marked with use client. So they're server components by default. Okay. Use client. All right, there we are. So yeah, cool. Man, I don't like this. This is too much effort. All right, let's see if there's an avatar that's stored. Raw metadata. Nope, there is no avatar. So this is something that I'm likely going to have to store on the profile table. But for now, I'm just going to leave this as is. And let's go to the sign in. Okay, so let's see if this navigation works. Profile, yes it does. All right. And let's see if when I sign out, does it do the right thing? It doesn't. But if I refresh, okay. How come it didn't refresh? Come to here. Yeah, this right here, it's supposed to refresh. I don't know why that didn't work. Also, I don't want this to render when I'm not signed in. So I need to have on my profile page here, I need to make sure that you can only get to here if you're logged in. Dashboard shouldn't do anything. I also shouldn't have sign out whenever there is no sign out. So let's fix that. We're gonna call it sign out. And where is this at? I'm gonna add a new thing on here that says auth required maybe. Or actually, no, I don't even need to do that. What I can do is not even render out these things. So let's find the thing. What is this? Absolute singer. Don't know what that is. Menu items. User navigation. Yeah, this right here. Okay, so what I think I want to do is I only want to render this stuff if I have a session. So we'll just do this right here. We'll say session. And then if there is a session, we'll return some stuff. Specifically that stuff. Okay. And we got to do it again because for some odd reason I had to repeat myself here. All right. I think this whole thing I don't want to do unless I have, yeah, I think this is it right here. So we'll say the same thing. We'll say session, and we'll just copy all of that, I think. Okay. So now I don't need to do that if there's a session business. So let's find where that was. There was a few places. Yeah, I don't need to do this because I know that a session exists. In fact, maybe I want to say if there's a user. Yeah, we'll say session user. So instead of just doing session, what I'm going to do is pull out a user from here. Yeah. Yeah, we'll do that. Okay, so now I don't have to do this check that I was just doing, and I've lost it. Yeah, I don't need to do this check right here because I know that the user exists at this point. Let's refresh. It's still showing. Why is that? It's not behaving the way that I would have expected. It's almost as if I have a session or whatever. I don't know what the word is. Yeah, I don't know how that's working. Each tiled in a list should have a unique key prop. Oh, okay, this is considered a list. Interesting. So let's add a key. So here we're going to add a key. And the key is going to be like the nav item name, because that's unique. And then we got to do it again, I suppose. So we'll put a key here. Do I need to put the key on this? Yeah, key. And then this is going to be the user nav item name. And I guess I need to do it again. This is the nav item name. And I may have to do it one more time here. So the disclosure button, say key user nav item dot name. All right. Okay, so extra attributes. I don't know what this means. I don't know what that is. Let's close that. Oh wait, oh, whoa. Okay, that's weird. I think this is at the wrong level. Yeah, that's it. This is at the wrong level. So I'm just gonna do that. Okay, so that goes here. All right, there we are. That fixed it. Okay. This is starting to come together somewhat, I guess. I'm only solving the nav problem right now. It'll be too much effort to try to do both of these at the same time. So it's going to default to this true. So now I'm going to need some way to say what is the currently selected page. So I am going to need to pass some props here. I have to add another audio source. Do you stream? Or do you do videos at all? Economic or casual economist? If so, you should share your channel. I mean, people see it, but like, what kind of stuff you do, if you do. So I need some way to say what is the current page. So I do need props. So I'm gonna go ahead and create props again. So now we're gonna have this page, and what I want to do is I gotta figure out what's the selected page. At the moment, that's hard coded. Where is that at? Current true. Okay, yeah, here, right here. So maybe what I want to do is not define this up here, but define it in the navbar component. Maybe, I don't know. I really don't know, to be real. I'm making this up as I go. I've never really done stuff like this. I actually just pay someone else to do it. I'm just being real. So we're gonna say that we have an array of things, and I need to make sure that this array of things has the correct current mapping here. And I think the only way to do that is maybe I do want to keep this up here, and then let's do this thing right here. So we'll say user. Oh wait, I'm sorry. Navigation. My bad. Let's call this nav items. So we'll say nav items, and we'll say for each. And what we're going to do is go through each of the nav items. So we'll get a nav item. And what I want to see is basically if the current nav item, so we'll say if nav item destined or name is equal to the page, then I want to set this nav item the current to true. Otherwise, I want to set it to false. All right, so I'm gonna wait. Oh, dot current, my bad. So I'm gonna change this to a ternary because this is a lot. So we'll say nav item current is equal to nav item name is equal to the page, then true, otherwise false. Or actually, no, we don't even need to do that. We can just do this. What am I doing? I'm done. We'll just say nav item dot current equals that. Yeah. And then we can get rid of all of that. Okay. So now, it's not selected, or it shouldn't be selected. Let's go to the layout, and we need to have a page here. Oh, we don't really know. Shit. Damn it. So I'm gonna need some way to figure out what page I'm on and tell it to here. Oh my gosh. All right, I can deal with that later. Let's see if this is even working. So we'll say page is equal to, we'll just call this William. So it shouldn't work. I mean, it should work, but it shouldn't be selected. So we'll refresh and we see dashboard. Okay. Now what happens if I put, wait, what are my options? Oops, wrong one. Dashboard. Oh yeah, let's see what happens if I put dashboard. It should change the way it looks. And it does. Okay, perfect. So my CSS is wrong. It's very obvious to me now. So I'm going to need some way to inform the navbar what page I'm on. Oh my gosh, I don't even know what to do. I think I'm gonna have to use context or something weird. Okay. Just join. You working on a component? No, I'm not working on a component. I mean, yeah, you could think of it that way, but no, that's actually not what I'm working on. I like to focus on the actual problem. I am literally trying to get navigation to work. I mean, it is working, but not in the way that I want. I'm trying to get the profile page to look a certain way. Let me show that off right quick. We'll go sign in. So we'll do that. Yeah, so I was trying to get this to work or look a certain kind of way. Oh man, there's all kinds of issues. Attempting to update bug snag config. What the fuck is that? I don't know what any of this is. It's weird. I will just close it. It's hanging. So it's not actually doing the things. Shit. I wonder, you know what? I have an idea. Let's come to desktop and we're going to create a new branch. And we're going to base it off of here, and we're just going to call this, I don't know, Tailwind UI. That way I can, bring the changes to that. Yep, cool. So now what I can do is I can just publish this branch up and then go back to my refinements. And yes, I want to leave these changes here, switch the branch. All right, look at that. All right, perfect. So now I can get back to a working. Now I can be like, I'll deal with that later. Except we got to close that. Cool. So I can switch back and forth now between the two. So we'll go to Tailwind UI. It's stashed. Okay, view the stash, I suppose, and restore. Let's go ahead and do some commits. So the first thing is install Tailwind UI things. All right, we created a navbar. We want to render the navbar and the layout. And you know what? Maybe I have a solution. Yes, I have a solution. Instead of doing this, fuck it. We're not doing it. We're just not going to do that. I am going to just render it at the top of everything. So we'll say, we'll do one of these thingamajigs, put our navbar in there. This is going to be the profile. And we'll do this right here. All right. Let's import our navbar. And I also want to make sure that this type right here can only be the options that are available in the navbar, in the user. No, not in the user, in the nav items here. So where's the type at? Where's the type here? Navbar props. Yeah, so I actually don't want navbar props to be this. I want it to be a key in the nav items. So I think I should be able to do like a key in or something. Key in or key of. How does key of work? I forgot. Nav item. You know what? I think ChatGPT can help me with that. Let's see. No, I don't want it to be the string. That is also wrong. All right, man, I'm gonna have to write it myself. I'm going to ignore that for now. But there is a way where you can say, give me only, like, it should only be one of these types here, right? Or I could create my nav item names. That's disgusting. I don't know if I like that. For now, I'm just gonna, yeah, we're just gonna do what I have. So we're gonna have our name for the dashboard or whatever. We also have the profile. So we'll go ahead and save that. And let's make sure that this is, what is this page? Did I change it? What did I just do? Oh, I did change it, my gosh, okay. All right, so technically I'm on the profile page, but that doesn't show up here because, yeah, I don't have it. It's not in my navigation. All right, that makes sense. So I no longer need the sign out button. So we'll delete that. And we're gonna create a dashboard page, and the dashboard page is gonna have this checkout, whatever this thing is. I also don't need the on sign out anymore. That's being taken care of for me. Render YouTube credits. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that. Yeah, so I'm just gonna have to render the nav bar on every page that I wanted. It's not great, but it works. Okay. Cool. So let's create a dashboard page. Wait a minute. What is that panel? What is the disclosure panel? Maybe that's what I actually want to use. Let's see. So this disclosure, let's see what this is. This is from the Headless UI. Let's see what that thing is. Menu, combo, dialog disclosure. A simple building custom UI as it shows in high content, like whatever that is. Interesting. Okay, so maybe what I want to do is, no, I don't know. How does this work? What are we showing in the disclosure? Disclosure panel. Yeah, okay, maybe, okay, yeah, never mind. Maybe that's not what I want. We're gonna create a dashboard page now. So this is gonna be dashboard page TSX. And I'm just gonna copy this and delete all the stuff I don't need. Okay, so I don't think I need any of this. Get YouTube credentials. Wait, why am I doing get YouTube credentials here? Okay. I I have no idea why I'm doing this. I'm gonna delete it. We'll deal with that later. Delete that too. On checked. All right, so I do want this, and then console log to J. Actually, no. I do want that. I'm gonna keep that here for now, and we're gonna keep this here. We're gonna keep the nav bar, except this is gonna be the dashboard now. And we're gonna have this button, and we're no longer gonna render whatever that is. So we'll import this. Let's just import all the missing things. Use state Google token. Is that like one of these types that I made up? Yeah, it is. Yeah. So we'll put that here. I don't need the token here, and I don't need this effect here. I also don't need this. And we're not going to render YouTube creds at all. And honestly, I don't need this either. I don't need that. And for now, I'm just going to say pre whatever this is. We're going to wrap this. So we'll say if there's a session, then we'll render this thing there. We don't need this, so we can clean this up a little bit, make this a little bit easier to understand. Get rid of the things we don't need. Yeah. Cool. So this is a little bit cleaned up. Come here, YouTube creds. Let's do that. Okay, I thought man, the function, I just had it. All right, I'm just gonna paste it all down here again. All right, so we'll delete all the things that I don't need, which are most of this. Oh shit, I don't have it, damn it. Oh, okay, let's go to desktop and I can copy it from there. So the page, this is what I was looking for here. I want that. Function render YouTube creds. Okay. Actually, I'm just gonna put this down here and we're gonna pass in YouTube creds, which is going to be an array of that. We'll call this Google tokens. Okay. I do want to have this, and I am going to, well, I'm not going to render it now, but eventually I have that there so that in the future, if I want to render it, I can. And right now it's like, oh yeah, you're not using it. That's cool. That's all right. All right, so let's see how we're doing now. Refresh. Okay, go to dashboard. Oh, haha, I gotta add it. So dashboard is not that, it's dashboard. Dashboard, like so. And yeah, we'll just do that. Then go to dashboard. We fell. Use effect. Ah, okay, wait. I gotta add it to the thingamajig here. So we'll say use client. Okay. So now this is selected. So now I gotta figure out how to like fix the nav bar so that it renders properly. It's not doing that at the moment. So this class name here, something about this needs to be fixed. Oh, I see. This should be opposite, I think. So we'll do this. Like, oops. We'll do that and then do that. There we are. That's it. I had it inverted. So I need to do this everywhere else. So here I need to do it. Oh wait, no, this is fine. This is fine. What's here? Nope, don't need that. All right, I need to invert this, I think. All right, and do I need to invert anything here? Nope. Okay. All right. So I think now. Oh wait, no. Now it's not hovering. Shit. God damn it. Maybe this was right where it was. All right. Yeah, I think that's inverted. Let's undo that. Yeah, the hover is wrong, I think. Yeah, let's undo all of that. Maybe I want to have this be here. Okay. And maybe I also want to always be rounded. I don't know. We'll see. I actually don't know. Okay. And if this is the current thing, which I think this is the current thing, I'm confused. I'm just gonna undo all of this. Let's go to profile. So it should be okay. I gotta figure out how this is meant to look. I actually don't know. Okay, so it's not supposed to be anything if it's okay. All right. So I'm on profile, so this should not be anything. So that's kind of serve as my getting started. So we're gonna basically redo the thing that I just said that it shouldn't be. And I'll do that. And it's still showing up as rounded. Okay, we'll do that. All right, so let's invert this now. So let's first delete this and then do that. Oops. Whoa, what's going on? Why did it copy this twice? Okay. Text gray hover. And let's move this to be to here. Did it do the thing again? What the fuck? What's going on? So if it's selected, we want it to be rounded, whatever this is, that. Otherwise, we want it to be just background gray, text white. And default is going to be that. Let's do this, see what happens. Text gray, hover. I'm on the profile page. This should not be, it's, okay. I think it's just background gray that's doing the thing that I don't want. Yeah, let's delete this for now and see what happens. Okay, yeah, that was it. And then if I click select, or I'm not click select, how come this doesn't take me to the dashboard? Did I not add it? I thought I added it. Oh my gosh, I didn't. I undid it. Okay, my bad. This is a my bad problem. All right, let's do that. All right, so the on hover, I want the hover to be different. So yeah, it's working, but like it's not what I want it to look like. So let's go back to the other thing and see what it's supposed to look like. So this on hover, let's just look at the code. I've fucked things up so bad. Here we are. All right, so current, this is what I want current to be right here. The default is going to be this. Okay, so let's see if I can get this right. Let's see if I can do something right for once. So if we're current, we're going to do BG gray 900. And this is the nav items. Yeah, that's what this is. All right, yeah, so let's try this out. If it's the current thing, we're going to do this. All right. Otherwise, we're going to do this right here. And then always, we're going to do this. Let's see if that, oops. All right, so the hover isn't working. But that's because it's the current. So let's go to my profile and hover. All right, yeah, there we are. There we are. We're good now. Okay, so let's do that same thing on the other one. Where is it? Current. So we're gonna do that same thing here, which is the nav item names right here. So if it's the current, we're going to do that. So we'll just, oops. Oh, that's basically what I had, okay. Otherwise, we're going to do this text gray. Yeah, man, this is all jacked up. And then otherwise, it's just going to be this as the, like always. Okay. Cool. So now I should be good. So that hovers correctly. If I go to dashboard, now it doesn't do the thing. Perfect. We're good. All right, and then I can check for the active broadcast on the dashboard. Oh my gosh. Okay. So what have I done? Oh, this is so much effort. No, we're gonna delete that. Okay, there we are. All right, I have a question. Let's see. Did you also build a sign-up page that lets you authenticate? Yeah. I need to update the profile table to have avatar information so that it loads my actual image or profile image. I want the sign out to maybe navigate to another page, maybe. At the moment, it's just refreshing the page, which is wrong, but I'll deal with that later. So what have I done? I fixed, well, for one is I added a new page. So let's first do that. So we'll say add new navigation page. We'll say add dashboard page. And we're going to, oh shit, let's undo that. I want to do that. There we are. Okay, next is, this is like fixed nav selection state. Yeah. The profile page, this is basically just like only show profile stuff. Okay, we'll push that off. So this is a little bit better. So we do this. Obviously, I want to actually show stuff, like have an actual profile page. So this is where I'm going to be able to define the I can upload an image, an avatar, or whatever. I can give my name, whatever, I don't know, whatever other stuff we need. Okay, so we have check for active broadcast. I also need to have a button that's going to install the thing, and maybe this is a time to like reevaluate my life and just see if I even want to, like, I can do all of this without having to build a UI. I can do this all in Slack. Oh gosh, I hate React. My gosh, I know some people love this shit, but I hate it. It's the worst. All right, let's go look for some more shit to steal. Oh, there's a command palette. Look at that. Headings, page headings. I'm not sure what a page heading is. What do you use a page heading for? Like, it would be cool if they showed these things within context of like how you are meant to use this. I hate React for more than, like, I don't just hate React. I don't like web development. I don't know if you've realized I don't really use the web much other than for like searching information. I don't like web apps in general. I don't like HTML. I don't like anything. I'm gonna be real. I hate everything. Oh, look, we have empty states. All right, I don't need that right now though. What do we have? Buttons, okay. I'm using one of these buttons. Primary buttons is dark. Yeah, we're gonna do that. We're just gonna steal whatever this code is right here. I should pull a button, like I should create a button component. I really should, and I'm not gonna do it, and I'm gonna regret it later in life, as I usually do. We're gonna put that here. That way the button fits within how this UI is supposed to look. Yeah, there we are, cool. You know what? Let's do a data display. I can load the data from the database. Currently, I do have some things. So let's see, where's data display? I saw that somewhere. Data display. Description list. What's the description list? Oh, actually, I think I do want this to some extent. Oh, never mind. Actually, I can. Yeah, all right, let me think. So each DT is going to. Oh wait, never mind. Oh yeah. Each DT is going to be a property, and then each DD is going to be the value of said property. Okay. I'm thinking about how I can. Okay, never. All right, this is doable. Yeah, I think this is doable. Although I don't have a profile yet, so I don't need to do that at the moment. What I'm instead going to do is what I initially set out to do, which is do a list of things. So let's do a stacked list, I guess. Nope. Table. All right, yeah, let's do a table. Let's see what the YouTube stuff looks like, YouTube videos. So we have published, we have a title and a description. All right, yeah, so we'll just do those things there. So let's do a simple on dark. And I'm going to create a component. We're going to call this video table. And we're just going to lift this with no shame. Do that. Is it going to let me do that? Yeah, cool. All right, so now let's go to my dashboard. Let's close all these other things. It's confusing me now. All right, so we'll come to the dashboard and yeah, we'll just do, what did I call this thing? Video table. Which I need to give that I need to actually like call it that. So we'll say video table. We're going to call this YouTube videos. Like so. And oh, I don't want it to be that. And then this is going to eventually take props. For now, I'm just going to leave it as such. And we're going to call this YouTube videos. It's not going to do anything for now, but just render. All right, cool. So now we have that. I also want to change this to a page header. I think I understand what a page header is now. So we're going to do page header, heading, whatever that is. We're going to do the simple one right here. I'm just going to like lift that. So on the page, we're going to do this like that. All right, the button, class name type. All right, so this is just going to be load load videos. And we're gonna put this here. Honestly, I should never have to do this session because I'm eventually going to navigate away if there isn't a session, but for now, I'll just leave it. And we can delete this button. Honestly, yeah, we can delete all of this actually. Let's delete all this main stuff. We don't want it. We don't need an edit. Oops. Put that here. Okay, so after the div, I'm going to assume I can just do here. I really don't know. We're gonna have to see. No, I can't just do that. Okay. Wait, why is there an add user? What the hell? Oh, I'm tripping. Okay, I'm tripping. Okay. Let's see, min flex. What if I put this up one level? Nope. All right, so I am gonna need to like do something here. So let's go back to what I had. All right, here we are. We're gonna take this main here. I'm just gonna take both of these. Like that. And yeah. We're gonna close the div and close the main. And I think this needs to go here. No. Put that there, and let's just get rid of that, and we'll put it down here and see if this makes a difference. Okay. All right, I gotta figure out how to get this main thing to work. I have no idea how to use this. I do think I want main to be here though, like real talk. Z10. Max width with full item center. Justify between. Mono, text small, flex. Alright, so first I think I can get rid of this justify between here. Flexman, okay. I think I do want that. Maybe it's this item center. No, I do want that too. All right, let's go back to the nav and see how this is meant to look. Well, this isn't a bot, Yanni. Like, what you're seeing has nothing to do with the bot. A bot has nothing to do with UI. So, in all honesty, I haven't made any progress on the actual bot. This is all UI bullshit. This almost serves no purpose. Like, I don't need it to look pretty. I'm just doing it because it's content, right? If this were the bot coming along, we would see a message being written into Slack right now whenever a new video is loaded. Whenever that cron job runs, which that doesn't run. That would be, honestly, that's more important than what I'm doing. But that doesn't, like, most people wouldn't understand it because it's just like a bunch of code and it doesn't do anything. In quotes, like you don't see it doing anything. So yeah, this isn't really, I'm not making actual progress on the bot right now. This is what I call distraction. Distraction work. It's not serving any purpose. Do here. Okay, so I think that this should give me a little bit of info. All right, so we have the nav, okay. And the nav is in a header. So, okay, so all of this is in a header. And then, okay. We're gonna go back to the page here and we'll wrap that in a header, I think. What's this next thing? Invoice. All right, invoice. Where does invoice come in? Okay, so that's outside of the header. So that's in main. Okay, all right. So yeah, we'll close the header here. Maybe. And then here is where I put the main content, I guess. So we'll do main, header, whatever this is. All of this is going to be inside of that header. Wait, why is this tripping? Oh, I'm tripping. Okay, all right. Put that there. Okay, so we're gonna have the header for that information. All right, I don't need whatever this is. Yeah, we don't need any of that. All right, and then I think that's what I have here. So let's see what this is looking like now. How bad did I jack this up? Pretty bad. Absolute inset Z50 flex HA16 border. Okay, is it just absolute that's doing that? How about I just do this? Get rid of all of that and then put it back. All right, what's doing that? That's weird. Border gray, that's not it. Border B, Z50, top 0. Is it this top 0? I wouldn't expect that to do that. The hell's doing that? Oh, it's the flex. Ah, okay. There we are, cool. Okay. So we have a header, and then our main, let's just make sure that we have some, what the fuck? Let's make sure we have some top padding. So this is PT 8, I guess. Okay. All right, and then the header. Let's just do padding of 8. How about that? Okay. So we're gonna have padding top for the header of 16. I don't like how this is currently structured at the moment. Okay. So we have padding top. Oh wait, oh, never, I'm tripping. All right, so this is what I'm after. So class name. All right, class name. All right, why isn't this not acting like a component? It's okay. I'll just wrap it in a div. It's not great. Or a section. So we'll give this PT of 16. All right. So load videos is going to load videos. Or actually, I don't want to even do that. Like, I'm going to delete this button. We don't want that. I'm going to basically copy this a little bit. I'm going to delete this button. We don't need it. It's just extra complexity. All right, and now the video table is going to do that. It's going to be responsible for loading the buttons or loading the stuff. So we'll just put that there. It's like, oh yeah, you don't have a session. That's cool. We'll just get a session. So let's first, oh, we'll just pass the session. How about that? So we'll pass session. Yeah, that's going to be equal to the session. And then, or do I need that? Let's move this down here so I can see. Okay. So yeah, I do need the session. Actually, no, I don't, because technically I should never be able to get to here if I don't have a session. So I'm just going to ignore that for now. And then we'll say on video, on load videos clicked. So let's, oops, on load videos click. All right, we'll execute that function, which should come from prop. Oh, come on. We'll just do that for now. And then we're going to pass in props. So we'll create a type called YouTube video props. Videos props. And we're going to pass in a on load videos. Load videos clicked. That will be one of these. And then we will just do this. And that's going to come from props. Okay. Now in here, I can just pass this function on to here. So we'll say on whatever that is, that. Prom is void, it's not assignable to, oh, okay, sure. Well, we'll say promise is void. All right. Wait, what? Oh yeah, I forgot. Okay, yeah, this is my bad. Actually, I do want to keep that. Yeah, I guess I'll just type it. We'll call this E. All right, so and I think I can just make this void now without worrying about the fact that it's a promise. And it should still be okay with that, I hope. Okay, all right, cool. So now we have that. Now we can do some of this other stuff. So let's figure out what we need to have. We're gonna bring this up. We're gonna have the kind, but first we'll do the title, and then we already have a title. Okay, well that's fine. We're still gonna call this title. This is going to be kind. What else do we want? Description. Actually, you know what? I want this to be kind, and then we'll do title and then description. And then we'll say published date. Or just published. Okay. We don't need that. All right. Let's do that. So we have kind, title, description, published. Why do I have edited? I thought I deleted that. Oh, okay, I didn't. Okay, so we'll delete this table data. All right. And then this is coming from the thing, like from the actual loaded thing. I should probably also have an empty state, maybe, but we'll deal with that later. So what I'm going to do is grab, what do you call that thing? This. Yeah, we're going to do this. And you know what? Maybe it will make a lot more sense to load that stuff here. And then, yeah, I think so. Yeah, it'll be better to just load that here. So we'll do use effect. And we're going to call this load YouTube videos. Load videos. Wait, am I doing function? I like to make sure this is consistent. Okay, yeah. So that's going to be equal to async, like so. We'll say load videos. And we only want to load videos when the YouTube credentials change. Like so. We're also going to create some state. We'll say videos, set videos, use state, and for now we'll just set this equal to an empty array for now. Okay, I do want to change the name of this to Google tokens. And set Google tokens. Okay, so to load the videos, I think I need to go to the videos table and do it there. Here we are right here. So I should be able to get that from Superbase. In fact, let's go ahead and get the right type here. So this is going to be database, public. Oh man, you know what? I think I'm going to create a type for this. I don't like doing it that way. So we'll do this. So we'll say type. We'll call these YouTube videos or YouTube video. That'll be the database, public, tables, YouTube videos, and that'll be a row. So this is going to be an array of that. And by default, it'll just be empty. All right, cool. So inside of my load videos, we need to go to the Superbase client. So let's do, wait, am I doing something similar? I wonder if I really need, yeah, I think I might have to do this if no session thing with Jig. I think, yeah, I think I have to do that. I don't like this. I need to figure out a way to not have to do this. I'm just going to copy and paste this because most of this is the same, kind of, not really. All right, so we're going to go to Superbase and we're going to go to whatever that table is called, YouTube videos. We're going to select where the, oh shit. All right, I don't have a way to relate the things. So, or do I? Maybe I do. Let's see. We have updated, I created that title. Oh shit, I don't have a way of saying what profile this goes to. Damn it. Okay. Okay. Dang, oh gosh. I have to, all right, so I need to update the database. I need to be able to pull only my videos. For now, I'm just gonna pull videos because I just need to see it work. I don't really care too much about it. So we're not gonna do this equal biz. So that means technically I don't need this. So we're just gonna select everything for now. And then we're not gonna set any Google tokens. What we're instead gonna do is set videos to be whatever the response data is. All right. And then this is going to be if response. So this is going to be low videos. Error. And then we'll just say low videos, irrecoverable error. Do the thing. Okay. So at this point, I should have videos. So let's pass that into this thing right here. So we'll say videos, which I don't think exists yet, but it will exist. So that'll be videos. And it's upset because it doesn't exist yet. So let's go to here and say that we need videos. Read only videos. And that's going to be an array of this right here. I'm just going to redefine it. I don't like this. Typically I would put this in like a types thing, but for now we'll just do this. So we're going to do row, array, like that, I think. And let's pull out the videos. All right, and instead of loading people, we're going to load videos. And then we're going to get a video. All right. The key is going to be the video's ID, I guess. We have the kind. So this is going to be video kind. We have the title. We have the description. and we have the publish date. Okay. All right. So now we have this. Okay. Something's broken. Oh, it's scrollable. Okay. All right. Yeah, okay. Fine. I want to, man. How do I render a date better than this? Let's do date. All right, how do you do dates? Is it new date? Can I do new date? Date like this. We'll pass in the string, which, is this a string? Oh, okay, yeah, fine. And then we'll say, what's the ISO date string? Kit date. Okay, that's wrong. Two-day string. How about that? All right, yeah, this is better. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say if live on this kind. So I'm going to create a function, and then we'll just say I don't know, friendly kind. I don't have a good name for it right now, but I'm not going to export it, so it didn't really matter that much. It's going to take a string, so we'll just call it kind, and it'll be a string. And all I'll do is return, well, I guess we'll do a switch. Yeah, we'll do a if. We'll say if kind dot substring. If it has the word live in it. So we'll say pound live. So if this is not equal to -1, then we want to do something. We'll return live or stream. We'll just return stream like so. Wait, what? This returns a string? Oh, it does. Oh, okay. Index of then. So we'll say index of that. All right, so yeah, we'll do that. Otherwise, we're just going to return video as a default. Video. Actually, I think those are the only kinds. Yeah, I think that's the only kind. So what we can do is we can do this right here. We'll just say return this. So if it has live, then we'll return stream. Otherwise, we'll return video. So that way I don't have to do any of this right here. We'll turn this into an expression. All right. All right, cool. So now we can just say, we'll just call this kind, or get, or I don't know, we'll call it friendly kind. Yeah, we'll call it kind. This is fine. All right, so here we're going to say kind, and then we'll say video kind. And I don't like this word kind here. We're going to say type. And this is going to be video type. Okay. All right, cool. So now we have stream, title, description. All right, cool. I think this is a little bit better. All right, how long am I at? Oh, I'm at 2.5 hours. All right, cool. I think this is good enough for now. Oh, wait, this users. Let's first fix that. That's not right. So we're gonna call these YouTube videos. A list of all the YouTube videos associated to your account. Okay. Okay, so when this on click is done, what I need to do is wait, let's first see if I'm actually saving the things. On check active broadcast click. Wait, what? So I'm gonna call this something else. We're gonna say on load videos. Clicked. All right, we'll just do that. So on load videos. All right. There we are. So when we load videos, wait, why do I need the session? I don't think I need it. But maybe I do. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the response. I'm going to check to see if there are any errors. So basically, I'm just going to do this up here. So I wonder if... Wait, never mind. I actually forgot what this... Man, I should probably use that TRPC thing. I have no idea what this returns. Maybe it doesn't return anything. And if it doesn't return anything, well, let's see what's in this response. Yeah, nothing. Shit. Okay. Maybe I can return. You know what? I'll just reload the videos. How about that? I'll just do that. So what I'm gonna do is instead of doing this right here, I'm just gonna recall this. This is terrible. You know, you shouldn't do this, but this is what I'm about to do. So I'm just gonna do that. So we're going to say low videos response like that, and we'll do that. We'll do that. This is terrible. I don't recommend doing this. So let's load my videos. I don't have a loading state, so let's just see what happens. All right, so it did the new auth, so I have a new auth, and look at that, it loaded. Cool. So there's a lot of cleanup that needs to be done. Like, this is what I would consider terrible code, but it works. So there's that. So we're gonna say add video table component. And then we'll just say load videos. Or yeah. Into new component. All right, we'll push that up. Oh my gosh, this is painful. But it seems to be working. I probably should have some type of loading state so that it's obvious that things are happening. Eventually, I want to make each one of these clickable to actually take me to the video. And let's look at this here. I wonder if like I can figure out, like if I can do some URL hacking right quick. Let's see if I can do some URL hacking. If I can do that quickly, then that's what I'm going to do. So we're going to come to here and let's do that. The ID watch VZ something, whatever something. Let's refresh this. Cancel. gosh. Oh, look at that. I can do some URL hacking. Look at that. So let's do that because that's easy to do. So what I'm going to come and do is on the, what is this? Where's the row? So on the row here, what I want to do is say, honestly, I want this to be like an anchor tag. Maybe I shouldn't be looking at the header. Maybe I should look here. So we're gonna do an anchor tag, like so. And the whole row is gonna be in the anchor. And I don't know if this is like how you're supposed to do it, but it's the way I'm about to do it. We're going to, oh, wait a minute. Maybe I can put the anchor. You know what? Let's ask ChatGPT. Oh, I can do data href. Oh, look at that. That's even better. Look at that. I just learned something. I didn't know I can do that. All right, so that's going to be on the row. So data href. I don't know. I don't see that, but let's see what happens. It's not giving me error, so I guess that's something. So we'll grab the video dot oh, before I do that, I need to mark this as whatever these things are, because I need to basically build it. So we'll do .id, and then we're going to do HTTPS. Is it just YouTube? Didn't, okay. Let's see what that is. YouTube, so it's www. That's the part I didn't know if it had that. www.youtube.com/watch v equal that. Okay. Now the question is, how do I make this open in a new tab? Oh, okay. So on here, I think I need to add a class name. Click. All right, I don't know how to do that. How would I style using Tailwind CSS? Cursor pointer, okay. Cursor pointer. We'll just say hover, whatever that says. See what this looks like so far. Ugh, no, I don't like that. I should probably use 900 or whatever the hover is on this right here. You know what? Fuck it. I'm not gonna use the hover. We can do that later. That's style. I don't care that much. I just want it to be this. So this should work. Well, no, it won't, because that's just the data. So I'm gonna have to add. Yeah, I'm gonna have a click event myself. Dang it. Okay. Oh wait, can I just do on click? Yeah, I can. Look at that. Okay. I was like, wait, I should just be able to do on click. Okay, so what we'll do is say on click, and yeah, let's do that. We'll create a function. I am currently wasting a bunch of my time making UI. I'm not actually building anything tonight. I'm making the UI to the Slack bot so that I can control it not using HTTP requests, which is what I've been doing. But I am regretting life. I should have just kept it as that, because yeah, it's easier. To me, it's easier. And but I guess I won't regret it if like I decide to make this like a thing that other people can use. Then at that point, I'll be like, oh yeah, I'm glad I actually, you know, went through and did something useful in life for once. So we'll say on row clicked. Oh, this is okay. Yeah, I'm tripping. All right, so window open. Actually, do I want to do that? Should I use the? Well, I guess I'll do that. So we'll say data URL. So it must be getting an event, and we'll just say data.url. Let's see, what's the type of this event? You know what? Fuck this. I'm not doing this. I don't need to do this. I don't like this. What I'm going to do instead is just say on click. And then what we're going to do is run a function, and I'm just going to define an inline. This is a lot easier. So we'll say whatever that is, window.open that. We'll get rid of that. All right, yeah, we'll open that and then blank. All right, cool. Yeah, this is a lot simpler than that data URL BS. All right, now let's see if it's going to navigate me to the thing. Look at that. Yeah, it does. So we're good. Look at that. So that's so much simpler than like doing this data whatever BS and trying to do stuff. Let's see if this takes me to the right one. It does. This is currently what I'm doing. Great. We're good. This is where sometimes being pragmatic comes in handy. All right, now I'm okay. What the hell? Let's close this. Refresh, close. Uh-oh. Shit. Okay, all right, yeah. So it's working, I think. Wait, is it working? Did this open up in a new tab? Yeah, it did. Yes, it is working. Look at that. We're good. Yeah, this is much simpler than what I had before. And profile, all that works. Sign out. I think I want to navigate to a new page. Yeah, I'm going to navigate to a new page. So let's go back to my nav bar. And instead of, wait, where is the, yeah, instead of sign out, just going to here, let's just go to slash. All right, so let's do a full round trip just to make sure all this is working. So we're gonna go to here. There should be nothing. In fact, I should probably just put a login page here. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Let's go ahead and do that right quick. We'll go to page. None of this other stuff matters. So we'll just say login. Oh my God, so much shit. Do that. No image. Okay. We'll just put a button that just says login. Button. Wait, is that how you do a button in this? No, it's button. Yeah. And we'll just say login. or sign in. I don't know what word I'm using. Sign in. All right. We're probably going to use the router here. So we'll say router, we'll use router. All right. Here we're going to just say, man, this don't even have to be a button. This is going to be a link. We're making this even easier. I don't want to do work. We're just going to do link. Yeah, we'll import that. We'll say href. We're going to go to sign. We'll go to sign in. I think it's the name of the route, maybe, hopefully. All right, there we are. Okay. Shit. You have a server component that imports router use. Oh, okay, next navigation. Okay. Use router only works in client components. Oh my gosh. I hate this. Like, I hate this. I don't even need the router. I don't even need the router. All right, cool. Now we're good. Let's sign in. Takes me to a sign in. Cool. We'll do. Ah, that's not gonna work. Oh yeah, it does. All right. Takes me to dashboard, or I'm sorry, it takes me to the profile. If I click on dashboard, it takes me to here. If I go back to profile, it comes back to here. And if I sign out, it takes me there. All right, good. Well, oh my gosh. So let's fix this up. So first thing I'm gonna do is just say we're gonna navigate to video on click or when clicked, and here we want to navigate to home page on logout, and this is just like delete stuff. Doesn't really matter that much. All right, let's see here. You think I got a bug with the printer dialog? What do you mean printer dialog? Using the app, using app there. I don't know what you mean. Yeah, that is why I'm asking using next navigation instead. What do you mean by with the printer dialog? What's that? I don't understand what printer dialog is. Oh, what's my bad. When I'm working, I don't see, actually, well, it's hard for people who I don't know if you stream a lot, but if you do, then maybe you understand. But I have 3 monitors, and the chat, it doesn't alert me. It happens over here on this monitor that I'm pointing at that you don't see. And yeah, plus when I'm working, I don't pay attention to others anyways. But it looks like this is all good. So let's create a PR and just make it prettier. What actually did I do? Yeah, we'll just say make it pretty. I don't really care what I did right now. I'm so over this. Let's make sure that I set the base to the correct base. This is based on refinements. Get rid of all these other extraneous commits. All right. Oh my gosh. This is so much effort. Oh, I hate this. Let's see if the preview works. All right. Let's load it here. All right. I probably should have something where if I'm, yeah, I don't care. Just like leave me alone. I should probably have something where if I'm already logged in, it like does something. Let's see if I'm logged in. I'm not. So I should also have this to where that doesn't work. It's currently not the case, but that's another day. So we'll say code and color. Oh. Put in my password. Sure. Fine. Okay, fine. All right. Sign in. Okay. You know what? I don't care. It's good enough. It works on my machine. I am way over my stream limit. I was supposed to be done at 1.5 hours. I'm almost at double that. So that's it for tonight. I'm done. That's it for the weekend. I'm tired. I'm gonna peace out. I'm dipping out. I see you just joined, Nate. I've been here for a while, and I'm tired. I hate React. I hate web development. I hate all this shit. I hate Next. I don't know if I hate Next, but I hate all of this equally. I don't want to do this anymore. I would much prefer to just pay someone else to do this, because like, to me, it's just tedious bullshit. Now, I don't drink. Well, I mean, I drink water. I mean, I drink water all the time. But yeah, I'm done. But yeah, y'all have a good rest of the night. And if you enjoyed this, consider subscribing, following, giving a like. Likes do help a lot. So if you give a like on the YouTube video, that'll be dope. If you have questions, you can leave comments in the comments. I'll probably read it. But until then, I will see you at some point in the future. Not tomorrow, though. I'm off. Peace.